2019 Chevrolet Silverados. We got up to speed with Tim Herrick, official boss specialist for the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado, not long after its presentation at the 2018 Detroit Automobile Expo, and asked, how does the Chevy set itself apart from the present ultra-aggressive harvest of full estimate pickups? This is what we realized. Or, talk to me about the capacity of the casing and skeleton. How does the expanded unbending nature add to the driving background? Herrick, the edge is stiffer both in torsion and in radiating. When you have an extraordinary establishment and edge structure, you can have an incredible taxi and box structure as well. How those two cooperate is extremely imperative. We could take the body mounts that go along with them, casing and body, and calibrate them more precisely than before for seclusion. Furthermore, that gives incredible input to the clients. On the off chance that you have a truck that doesn't have a decent establishment and taxicab structure, it nearly doesn't make a difference what bit of elastic you put in the middle of them. It won't respond legitimately. In the initial couple of squares you drive this Silverado, you'll see that despite the fact that this is a gigantic truck, the taking care of influences it to drive little. Or, the pickup box is very one of a kind contrasted with what you've done before, with a significantly more extensive 7 inches bed floor, discretionary capacity boxes, and an expanded number of tie downs. What led you to those changes? Did the thoughts originate from the current Silverado clients? Herrick, it's constantly about the client. Yet, did we have a client voice out yonder saying I need more tie downs and I need a greater volume box? No. However, once we demonstrated to them the plan-in facility, they were exceptionally energized. It really began with one of our specialists, Dave Rock, who's been the individual in charge of our pickup boxes for eternity. Truth be told, we nicknamed it the Stone Box.